Bananas are a highly nutritious fruit that plays a vital role in a balanced diet. Packed with carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, they provide energy while meeting essential nutritional needs. Rich in potassium, fiber, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, bananas are low in calories, making them an ideal snack for people of all ages. Nutritional value of a medium-sized banana, 120 grams. Calories, 105 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 27 grams. Protein, 1.3 grams. Fiber, 3.1 grams. Sugar, 14.4 grams. Potassium, 420 milligrams. Magnesium, 31.9 milligrams. Phosphorus, 26 milligrams. Selenium, 1.9 micrograms. Choline, 11.6 micrograms. Vitamin C, 10.3 micrograms. Folate, 23.6 micrograms. Beta-carotene, 30.7 micrograms. Alpha-carotene, 29.5 micrograms. Health benefits of bananas: rich in potassium. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, an essential electrolyte that regulates fluid balance, supports muscle function, and helps maintain normal heart rhythms. Potassium also counteracts the effects of sodium on blood pressure, making bananas beneficial for cardiovascular health. Additionally, potassium plays a role in preventing kidney stones and preserving bone health. However, individuals with kidney disease should consult a doctor before consuming bananas due to their high potassium content. Helps regulate blood pressure. A diet high in potassium and low in sodium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Consuming just one medium-sized banana per day can provide about 9% of the recommended daily potassium intake, supporting heart health and reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. Supports cancer prevention. Bananas contain lectin, a protein that acts as an antioxidant. Lectins help neutralize free radicals, preventing cell damage that may lead to cancer development. Due to these properties, bananas contribute to the body's natural defense against cancer. High in vitamin B6 and vitamin C, bananas are rich in vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in neurotransmitter production, important for brain function, red blood cell formation, metabolizing carbohydrates and fats for energy, protein synthesis necessary for immune function, supporting kidney and liver health. Additionally, bananas are a good source of vitamin C, which protects cells and tissues, aids iron absorption, helps the body produce collagen, reduces stress by regulating cortisol levels, increases serotonin production, positively affecting cognitive function. Supports heart health. Bananas contain a combination of potassium, fiber, folate, and vitamin C, which contribute to cardiovascular health. Studies indicate that individuals with higher fiber intake have a lower risk of heart disease, while those who consume adequate potassium have a reduced risk of death from ischemic heart disease. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Bananas are rich in fiber, which slows down carbohydrate digestion and absorption, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. A high-fiber diet is beneficial for both reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and managing blood sugar levels in diabetic individuals. However, as bananas ripen, their glycemic index increases, so diabetics should consume them in moderation. Improves memory and cognitive function. Bananas contain tryptophan, an essential amino acid that plays a role in serotonin and melatonin production. This makes bananas beneficial for mood regulation, cognitive function, and sleep quality. Supports digestive health. A medium-sized banana provides about 10% of the daily fiber requirement, making it beneficial for digestion. Bananas help regulate bowel movements, protect the stomach lining by producing a mucus barrier against stomach acid, reduce the risk of gastric ulcers by combating harmful bacteria. Additionally, bananas are effective in managing diarrhea as they replenish lost fluids and electrolytes, particularly potassium. Their fiber content promotes satiety, aiding in weight management. Aids post-exercise recovery. Bananas are a favorite among athletes due to their ability to replenish energy and electrolytes lost during workouts. Their rich potassium, magnesium, and calcium content help prevent muscle cramps and soreness. Moreover, serotonin and dopamine in bananas enhance antioxidant capacity and improve sports performance. However, Because bananas are low in protein, they are best consumed alongside protein sources like milk, yogurt, or kefir after exercise. Bananas and disease prevention helps control high blood pressure. The potassium in bananas helps relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and eliminate excess sodium from the body. According to the American Heart Association, a potassium-rich diet reduces hypertension risks and prevents heart attacks and strokes. Supports blood sugar regulation. Bananas have a low glycemic index, GI, and are slowly digested, providing long-lasting energy without sudden blood sugar spikes. Their soluble fiber, particularly pectin, helps control carbohydrate absorption, making bananas a suitable snack for diabetics when consumed in moderation. Reduces stress and depression. Bananas help combat stress and depression due to their high tryptophan content, which boosts serotonin production, a neurotransmitter associated with happiness and well-being. Additionally, vitamin B6 regulates cortisol, the stress hormone, helping to calm the nervous system. How to consume bananas. Raw banana consumption. Eating bananas raw is the easiest and most natural way to benefit from their nutrients. Benefits of eating raw bananas: a quick and nutritious snack, rich in essential vitamins and minerals, provides a natural energy boost. Things to consider when eating bananas. While bananas are healthy, excessive consumption can lead to potential health risks, such as hyperkalemia, excess potassium. May cause muscle weakness and irregular heart rhythms. High calorie and sugar intake can contribute to weight gain and blood sugar fluctuations. Digestive issues. Too much fiber can lead to bloating and gas. Banana allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to bananas, experiencing symptoms such as itching or swelling in the mouth and throat. Difficulty breathing in rare cases. Latex sensitivity, since bananas contain similar proteins to latex. Frequently asked questions. How many bananas should you eat per day? 1 to 2 bananas per day is generally safe and beneficial. Excessive consumption can contribute to high sugar intake and weight gain. Do bananas cause weight gain? Bananas, when eaten in moderation, do not cause weight gain. However, excessive consumption can lead to increased calorie intake. Are bananas good for digestion? Yes. Ripe bananas relieve constipation, while unripe bananas contain resistant starch, which can slow digestion. Are bananas good for the stomach? Yes. Bananas help neutralize stomach acid, making them beneficial for individuals with acid reflux or ulcers. Can diabetics eat bananas? Yes, but with portion control. Less ripe bananas have a lower glycemic index, making them a better option for diabetics. Pairing bananas with fiber or protein-rich foods can further help manage blood sugar levels. Bananas are a nutrient-dense superfood with numerous health benefits, from supporting heart and digestive health to regulating blood sugar and enhancing post-workout recovery. Whether consumed raw, in smoothies, or paired with other nutritious foods, bananas are a versatile and delicious addition to a balanced diet. Bananas are truly an amazing fruit, packed with nutrients and health benefits. I hope this video helped you learn something new and inspired you to include more bananas in your diet. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome videos. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one.